We are at the brand new Norrøna House at Lysaker, just outside Oslo. Norrøna is a premium outdoor brand, family-owned, established back in 1929, and probably one of the leading brands in the world when it comes to outdoor activities and outdoor equipment. This is a place where people, our customers, our friends, can come and meet the brand and come and meet our ambassadors, see the products, participate in the events, visit Naturen Brasserie, our new restaurant, and simply get closer to the brand. I think the audio is a crucial part of the experience of the space, because what we would like to do here is to create a relaxed atmosphere, to tone things down. It shouldn't feel like a shopping mall, but it should more like be visiting someone's house. So the audio is super important, and also the quality of the audio and kind of the balance in the space is super important to create the right atmosphere.
Bose Professional is a preferred sound partner for Atea, and therefore is a natural choice. In Norrøna concept store, there is a high ceiling, and it was very easy to get good sound with Bose Professional pendant speakers. We use DM6 and DM5. It's 6-inch and 5-inch speakers. And of course, we supported with the MSA 12X.
All the way from the beginning, we decided to put different zones. So the retail space is one zone, the cafe is one zone, the restaurant is one zone, and we also have the black box auditorium, which is a separate zone.
We are sitting in the black box. It's a special room. We have 3 different directions. We have the long direction with the show match array, with the SM10 and SM20, and of course sub. We can switch to the short room from the left and from the right, and we use M112.
I think the important thing for Norrøna is that we have high quality sound, but we also need good stability, and we need it to be user-friendly.
Together with the large network switch, the system was integrated with Dante and AV over IP, and controlled with a Crestron control system.
The setup is working perfectly, and we're also able to control the different zones in a professional way. So very happy about the setup from Bose Professional.
Bose Professional supported us all the way.
The key thing for Norrøna is the stability and the high quality, which is like also giving us the stability of not having problems with the system, so we can actually be sure that it's working properly and that the quality of the sound is good.